And welcome to Buddy's Barbecue. Did some research on this place. It looks like the founder started in Knoxville, Tennessee, not very far from the Great Smoky Mountains where we are at in the Sevierville location. So we're about to go ahead and see what this barbecue is all about. Let's see if it's any good. Come on in. So we got a little bit of everything. This is the chicken sandwich. It came with the sauce on it. This is the small size. The bigger size is a 1-inch wider bun. It comes wide. So let's give it a try. It's pulled chicken sauce. Chicken is very tender, as you'd expect with white meat. It's it needs some kind of sauce on it. The sauce, it's your nice standard barbecue sauce. I'm gonna call it extra special. Wouldn't call it crazy good. It's just a good barbecue sauce. Next, we're gonna try a bite of a pulled pork sandwich. You can see the pulled pork, one of my favorites. It's very common in the South to get pulled pork. Barbecue sauce. Sometimes they put coleslaw on their sandwiches too. Let's try it straight. I like the pulled pork because you can really taste the smokiness of the barbecue on that pulled pork. I don't think it was just the sauce. I think the pork itself had a lot of good smoky flavor and really tender. The barbecue is, the standard barbecue flavor. How about the beef brisket? See what kind of barbecue flavor this one might have onto it. All the bar. Let's try this little bit of sauce. Beef is nice and tender. Got that smokiness flavor as well. Not very smoky, just a little bit of smokiness. It's got some good barbecue in there, barbecue flavor, with barbecue sauce. So, you prefer beef. You got a nice tender beef. You prefer the pork, which is my favorite. You go for the pork sandwich. But it's like your standard fast food type fries. Let's see. Very lightly salted, very crisp. Not as good as McDonald's, but your standard fast food fry. It's nice. You want to season yourself, you don't like seasoning. One of the sides was green beans. Get that flavor like. A little buttery. Very soft, very tender. Pretty good green bean. Another thing we got is just the straight pulled pork. That's all it is, just straight pulled pork as a dinner. Definitely, I can feel the smoky flavor on the pork. Got in that last bit, you can really, definitely on the burnt side, you get that nice smoked flavor, which is a good flavor for them. How about the pork rib? It's a nice big old pork spare rib. Again, so we got these dry, so just, without the sauce. You can add the sauces. Pork ribs are nice and tender. Not a terrible amount of flavor, just a mild hint of a smokiness on them. Not very much at all. Another thing you can get, these wings, we got them naked. So they have some options for me. Should I get the dry rub? Yeah. So you can put a dry rub on, dry rub seasoning. And smell. It's just your standard seasoning salt smell. Put a little of that on. Go for some of that. Wow, these wings are really nice and tender. They have a really good flavor on them. A little bit crispy on the skin. A nice flavor in the wing itself. The rub was a nice balance of spices that I liked. It was good. But we can also try their straight up hot sauce. It's your basic Louisiana hot sauce, you might say, or it's Tabasco style hot sauce. Just reading the ingredients, that's what it's like. Let's see the flavor. It's very thin and watery, as you can see. Vinegar based. Yeah. It's spicy. Tastes just like Tabasco, basically. So you like Tabasco on your wings? How about this one? This is the blaze and barbecue sauce from Buddy. So this is like the barbecue sauce, but hot. I think. Let's see that flavor. I'm sure if I had a lot. Oh yeah, that's pretty spicy. It's kind of like as if you take the Buddy's hot sauce, the very vinegar-based sauce. You take your basic Buddy's hot sauce, you add it to the Buddy's mild barbecue sauce, and that's what the blazing hot sauce is like. It's very Tabasco sauce backed. And let's try the mild barbecue sauce, which I'm sure the one they use in all their sandwiches and all their food. See what that one's like. Yes. Yes. That is a very sweet and tangy sauce. Very well flavored. It is a very good barbecue sauce to add to your barbecue. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this barbecue. Let's try a couple standards that you get in barbecue places. Mac and cheese. See how their mac and cheese is. Very creamy. Very soft and tender on the noodles. Maybe like an upgrade for your Kraft mac and cheese. Because the noodles are a lot softer and the sauce is a lot creamier. So this is a very good standard mac and cheese that you would expect from Marketplace. And lastly, almost lastly, now let's try the coleslaw. This is good. It's really light on the mayonnaise, not a very heavy mayonnaise. So it feels, a little more healthier than some of the other foods you would have here. So it's a nice mix, especially with the barbecue. You have a nice cooling sensation of a mayonnaise-filled coleslaw. Good mix. And lastly, something that comes with the dinner are hush puppies. Never been to the South. Hush puppy is basically a fried fritter. Usually it's corn, and it looks like it's got some green flecks. Maybe that would be some green onion in there. I'm not sure. Yeah. Not very sweet. So it's like your fried cornbread. Your standard hush puppy. You like hush puppies? This is good. Think about it as the breading, you're having a very good onion ring, but that's all you're eating. A lot of the breading with a nice, very crispy outside. It is a good hush puppy. So if you're looking for a good barbecue place in Tennessee, and you're kind of the Great Smokies, Buddy's Barbecue would not be a bad option.